Wedding dresses A-line. Check out these beautiful A-line wedding dresses. A-line wedding dresses, the best decision for brides. Since your wedding is fast approaching, there are numerous things you have to deal with. In any case, above all, you have to pick the ideal marriage dress to wear on your special day. The choice of selecting marriage dress is presumably the most troublesome choice you will ever have to make, particularly concerned with your wedding. As any bride, you have likely thought regarding the ideal marriage dress throughout recent years and regularly imagine yourself wearing an immaculate dress. Then again, now that you are placed before this choice, you understand that the ideal dress you generally longed for remains a fantasy, and selecting your preferred dress might be a tough task as you have to pick your wedding dress from the mass collection of existing ones. Normally, one of the first qualities that brides search for in a marriage dress is the pattern. As such, you will find a variety of delightful dresses for weddings, for example, ball gowns, A-line, princess, column, trumpet, sheath, or mermaid. Out of all of these varieties, most of the brides prefer the A-line collection. These are probably the most prevalent because of their ideal appearance. Really, any marriage dress looks distinguished. However, when you take a look at the A-line pattern, you see a perfect lady wearing them. A-line designs don't restrain your options that much. As there are many different attributes that characterize these outfits, you will, in any case, feel difficult to choose one from this series easily. With a specific aim to make your choice a bit easier, you may possibly try to search for the qualities that you incline towards most. Case in point, if you wish your dress to be sleeveless, for instance, or sweetheart, floor length, and with specific embellishments, then search for the outfits that has these qualities of your preference. You can freely browse through distinctive choices that the A-line wedding dress may have. For example, you can pick the neckline, which is a standout amongst the most essential qualities for a dress. There are numerous neckline types, so you can pick the particular case that you favor. The waistline is likewise imperative, particularly that it can help you choose a dress that best suits your body type. You can go further with your choice and select the sleeve length, as well as the sleeve type. Obviously, you must not neglect to search for the dress train and the length that you like for your dress. Likewise, there are a lot of other different alternatives that permit you to make your choice a bit easier and to search for wedding dresses that fit your inclinations. Stunning A-line wedding dresses anticipate you to look over, keeping in mind the aim to make you magnificent on your wedding day. Select the perfect one that suits you best and that you feel better with, so you will feel and look extraordinary on the most special day of your life. The web is an awesome help when planning your wedding, as you can compare stores using many different websites. And once you get sorted out and have your budget under control, it makes shopping for A-line wedding dresses at an online wedding dress much more easier.